We lead the market by selling various products based on customer orders while ensuring customer satisfaction with good service. We analyze profit and loss to provide reports that help clients understand their business and make informed decisions. My responsibilities in this project include client interaction, gathering requirements, developing reports and dashboards involving DAX calculations, conducting data validation testing, and preparing test case documents. Throughout my experience, I have created various types of reports, such as pie charts, donut charts, and bar charts, as well as DAX columns and measures based on requirements. I have also performed unit testing and prepared test case documents. Additionally, I manage databases such as Oracle, SQL Server, and Snowflake, creating custom SQL queries tailored to report needs. I have also created reports based on SQL queries. My expertise extends beyond Power BI to other BI tools like Tableau, and I'm open to working with similar tools if given the opportunity. Also, I implement row-level security so users can see their data. I have created complex reports like implementing parent-child hierarchy security, and I have also been involved in supporting Level 1 and Level 2 administration activities in my project.